Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 echo in headphone problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the play audio. Click next to continue. Click on yes, open audio enhancement. Click on disable all effects. Click on apply and OK button and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a mmsy.cpl. Or type a sound settings. So open a sound settings. Click on mod sound settings. Select a speakers. Click on set at default. Go to your properties. Click on enhancements and make sure that disable all sound effects. Click on apply and OK button. Click OK to continue and close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open a device manager. After that, select a sound, video and game controller and expand it. After doing this step, select a audio section, right click on update driver. Click on search automated from drivers. Click on search for update drivers on Windows Update. And if any updates available or pending for installation, click on install to continue. It's required a few minutes to installing this process. After installing that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. Click on sound, video and game controller. Select a audio driver. Click on update driver. Click on browse my computer from drivers. Select a let me pick a list of available driver on my computer. Select a specific model. Click on next to continue. After that, close it, and I hope that after that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. Scroll down and find out select a sound, video and game controller and select the audio driver. Right click and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.